Thank you very much. Today I will discuss the comparison of three digits in terms of the smallest and the largest number. So the title of my today's lecture will be comparison of smallest and greatest. Comparison of smallest and greatest three-digit numbers. As far as the smallest and the greatest number is concerned, I have already told you. And I'll just take a example 1. Compare the following three-digit numbers. In a question, only two three-digit number will be given, like 6, 5, 4. And here you have to place the value of greater or less, or greatest or least. And there is the 7, 5, 6. So to solve this, you can say this question, your examples, you have to first ones, tens and hundred. In every cases, I will suggest to all the students to put OTH. And meaning of OTH I have already explained. Now the solution. As far as addition is concerned, we operate the plus sign from right to left. But in the case of comparison, we should compare from left to right. For example, step 1. And also you should know that this is the first digit, second digit and third digit. The digit below O is the first, digit below T is the second, digit H below third. So you can use any names. Compare digit at H first. अब कैसे कंपेयर करेंगे? First write 6 and 7. Now, even it is told in the primary first class that 7 is higher than 6 or greater than 6 or 6 is lower than 7. So, but you have to keep in mind, either do the sign like this, that is the 7 1 is the greatest than this, or if you write 7 first, and 6 letter, then you can put like this. That means the first digit from the left hand side should be compared first. If H is higher than H of the second, whole number is higher than this. So step 2, that 654 OTH is greater than, no, I have done mistake. Either you can do like this, you delete here and write like this. This is less than 756. Or you can say that 756 is greater than 654. That is the comparison. So sometimes it is called the greater, sometimes it's called the greatest. You can choose any one of these, but the sign is very, very important to put the proper place. Now second example. Example 2. Compare the following three-digit numbers. कैसे है अब देखिए. Now here the 100 place are different, but here in this case 5, 2, 8 and 5, 3, 9. OTH. OTH. अब देखिए यहाँ पर स्टेप सॉल्यूशन. Solution. Step 1, compare digit at H. 5, 5. So what you have got, that the 5 which is H is equal to 5H. On both sides 5 are the same. So now second step 2, compare digit at T. So what is the T? अब देखिए 2T is there and then 3T is there. So obviously 3 is higher than 2. Means this number is higher than this. So step 3 becomes 5 to 8. Here sign of greater or less. Then 5, 3, 9. So now since 3 is greater than this, so you can put the sign like this. O, T, H, O, T, H. Now, so keep in mind that first you have to compare the hundreds H digit. If it is equal, go to the second digit. And even if that is equal, go to the third digit. I am going to show this in the third example. Third, you can say, example. Example 3. Also, I have already suggested how to write 3-digit number from 100 to 909. So I don't think that everybody can remember all this number, but you can do this thing by step by step. Compare the following. The following 3-digit numbers. अब यहाँ पर ध्यान रखिए 875, then 879. Those students who are brighter or better or golden students, OTH. OTH. They can very easily guess that if H are the same, T are the same, compare digit at once. Means 5 and 9, and out of 5 and 9, 9 is greatest. But I am writing the step by step solution. Because my lecture is not only for the brighter students, for mediocre also, who can follow the steps and they can answer the question. Step 1. Compare the digits at H. So what is H? This is at H is equal to, both are same. Now step 2, compare the digit at T. That means 70 is equal to 70. So at H and at T, both digits are same. Third step, compare the digit at ones. So what is that? First write 5, then at 9, O, and obviously the 9 is greater than 5. That means this digit is greater than this. So what is the result? Step 4. That 875 and 879. OTH. That means the digit containing 9 is more than that. You can say this, or you can say that 875 is less than 879. That is the 3 example which I have given to you for a comparison of a 2-3-digit number. Now, I am going to give you some examples, some questions you have to ask the student to do it. So, I will just delete this one. Question for practice. That is very, very important. Question for practice. Questions for practice. If I am writing question 1, Q.1 means question 1. Compare the following 3 digits. Compare the following three digits. Numbers by using the sign. अब यहां देखिए स्पेसिफिक किया गया है, this are equal to R. यानी इन तीनों साइन के जरिए ही जो है आपको कंपेयर करना है. A 1 2 4 and 1 4 9. B 2 6 5 and 3 5 4. C 4 5 6 4 3 6. D 4 5 7 9 5 1. Means ask the students to write all this OTH and then compare by stepwise. Now, question 2. Write before and after of the following three digits. अब देखिए A 310. So, what is the three-digit number after 310 and what is the three-digit number before 310? B 671. C 'बड़ा बड़ा ब्लॉक बना दीजिए, नो प्रॉब्लम. 259. D 430. Why I have asked you to practice the student to make the square and rectangle. That will help this one. So it gives also practice to make the rectangle. That for example, if all the sides are opposition not equal, it is a rectangle. Then question 3. Write the ascending means increasing and descending means decreasing. decreasing of the following, decreasing order of the following. A, 1, 2, 4, 4, 5, 8, 9, 5, 4, and 7, 8, 5, and 4, 5, 4. So, first write OTH and then compare like H. First compare the H. That means H, 7 is the large, 9 is the largest, then 7, then 4, 4, then 1. Then compare the second digit. So you follow this thing. Now B is 475, 259, and 6, 3, 2. 1, 2, 4, and 7, 5, 4. And I am giving the hint. If you can already retain ascending order, increasing order, reverse will be descending order. So do all these things, and if you have forgotten, so use the number tables, and you can find out which one is the largest one, because it comes between 100 and 199, it comes 400, 495, it comes 900, 999, it comes 700 to 799, it again comes 400 to 499. Thank you very much.